Hello everyone, let us solve the question using BODMAS. Here you can see all our fractions given. So to solve the fractions, the simplest way we use is butterfly method. So there is a video on shorts, you can see the butterfly method so that you can understand this problem very easy. So let's begin the problem. So first you can observe that square brackets are there, flower brackets are there, and small brackets, and then line bracket. So in order we have to simplify the line bracket, and then we proceed with the rule of BODMAS. Let's begin. That is equal to 4 by 7 plus of square bracket of 1 by 2 minus open bracket 3 by 4 minus and then 1 by 5 plus, use the butterfly method, 5 3 is 15 minus 7 1 7 by 7 5 is 35. So simply close the brackets. That is 4 by 7 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus open bracket 1 by 5 plus 15 minus 7 is 8 by 35. So close the brackets. That is 4 by 7 plus square bracket of 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 here minus, use the butterfly method again, 35 times 1 is 35 plus 8 5 is 40 over 535 is 175. Keep in brackets and close all the brackets. Further we proceed. 4 by 7 plus of square bracket 1 by 2 minus open bracket 3 by 4 minus, on simplifying the small bracket, what do we get here is 35 plus 40 is 75 by 175. So close the brackets. So you can proceed with this number 75 by 175, but if you can simplify this 75 by 175, we can make our problem very easily. So I'll do that. 75 by 175, so it goes by 5 table, 5 times 1 and 5 times 5, 5 times 3 and 5 times 5. Still you can cut this by 5 table, 5 3s and 5 7s. So what you get here is 3 over 7 you get. So I'm going to replace 75 by 175 with 3 by 7. That is equal to 4 by 7 plus bracket of 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 7. So close the bracket. Again using butterfly method. So 4 by 7 plus 1 by 2 minus, here 7 times 3 is 21 minus 4 times 3 is 12 by 4 times 7 is 28. Keep in brackets. Close all the brackets. And 4 by 7 plus bracket of 1 by 2 minus 21 minus 12 is 9. 9 by 28. Keep in bracket. So we have simplified the flower bracket also. Now final bracket. 4 by 7 plus 28 times 1 is 28 minus 9 times 2 is 18 by 2 28s 56. Keep in bracket. Here 4 by 7 plus 28 minus 18 is 10. 10 by 56. You can further simplify or you can reduce 10 by 56 in simplest form. So I'll use 10 by 56 as 2 times 5 and 2 times 28. So what do I get here is 5 by 28. So I'm going to use this. So 4 by 7 plus replacing 10 by 56 with 5 by 28. 5 by 28. Proceed with the butterfly method. 4 28s is 112 plus 7 5 is 35 by 7 28s 196. You can add these two numbers. So what I get here is 147 by 196. Let us cancel this with 7 table. 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 1, 7 times 2 is 14 and 7 times 8. So what I got here is 21 by 28. So this is my final answer. Hope you understand the problem. Thanks for watching.